Do you want to be able to fix TikTok Live not working? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you watch this until the end. The first step is going to be for us to come to our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here, and then you need to come to your profile. And on your profile, then what you need to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, because then you should be taken here, as you can see, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings, because then you should be taken here, as you can see. Now we're going to scroll down in here until we can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem, and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now what you need to do is to just scroll all the way down in here and then click on submit a report. So click on submit a report, and the reason why you need to do this is because you need to be taken to this page right here, and in here we're actually able to contact the TikTok live support like directly, and they are the ones that can actually help us with this issue, just so you know. So that is why you need to come here, and now we're going to write exactly like this to the TikTok live support. I am having problems with my TikTok live not working. I need this to be fixed. So basically, write exactly like this to the TikTok support. I'm having problems with my TikTok live not working. I need this to be fixed. Now, when you're done, just click on submit. Basically, what will happen now is that you will need to wait about 1 to 3 business days for the TikTok live support to be able to see this. And hopefully, after you have seen this, then you should be able to get a reply back from them. And then hopefully, this will be solved for you. So basically, this is exactly how to fix this issue. And also, if you have any comments, like if you have any like suggestions or any like questions, then please leave a comment down below, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.